Oh no.
Alright, so, alright, cool. Let's do it. You're gonna smell everything in a new way.
New age, new nose. He smells.
No.
Alright, this is good. Good to go. So we'll start on this side. How's that temperature?
That's so good.
Great. And then I'll do the other side, and then we'll let it sit for a minute. Well, you might have to breathe through your mouth for a second. I'll do the same thing on this side. Thank you.
Mhm.
So, because we don't want to pull it too early, so we're just going to let it, hold on, let me say that again. So we don't want to pull it too early because if we pull it too early, then there's going to be a lot of residue left up there. So probably going to wait like at least 2 minutes before we take those out. Otherwise, we're going to have to do it again. Because if it hasn't hardened, then we take it out too early.
It can take 3 minutes.
Okay. Sure. Should have did a before and after of the nostrils.
That's embarrassing. But I get it.
Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. Did you get that? Have you ever had your nose waxed before?
Absolutely not.
All right, you're gonna want to do it all the time after this.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, that's
Did you
one.
do it? Oh.
Yeah.
I thought you like missed it.
Well, see, that's the results of the first one. And then we'll do the second now. 1, 2, 3. Here we go.
Yeah, that was good.
See, that's you. Well, that was you.
Oh. Oh.
We'll take care of those. Wait, it wasn't that bad, right?
The
wax?
happening?
Yeah.
No, all it felt like was like someone was just doing this. That's all it felt like.
Oh, yeah.
Like
That's
it wasn't like usually if you have to like tweeze or something, it's a very sharp pain.
Oh yeah,
It was
for some
not.
reason I think it like cancels it out when you just take them all out at once. It's like the pain all just cancels each other's out. So.